So here you will learn the match function. So you have learned the index. What is match? The match function is used to determine the position number of a known value within a range of cells. Match syntax you can use the equal to match lookup value lookup array match type, means the particular cell for which I have to get a lookup value, just like the lookup array. It can be a table or a particular range, and the match type -1, 0 or 1, right? Mostly we use the 0 formula for the exact match. So I have created a particular table, and I can give it a list name similar like that, but it will be a match function. So employee 001, I want to find it is in which row or column. Let's see what is the match function. Before that, don't look at this your table, look at this table, okay, this one, or active table, match. So lookup value, I need a lookup value. I don't have a lookup value, so for that I need to create a lookup value. Employee 001, this one. So F24 is my lookup value, it is already highlighted, comma lookup array. This is my lookup array, 0, okay. So employee 001 is in row number 1. Let's see, employee 002, this is in row number 2. Employee 0119 is in row number 6, okay, this is row number 6. Now I have already created a drop down list, so you know how to create a drop down list. Now I want to know the B, employee number A, or suppose employee number A is in which column. Similarly we can do it for match function, so we can copy it and we can paste it. So instead of B, F4, so what we will do, so I want to know the match, this employee number A. Suppose employee number A is in this one, employee number A is in which row? First row, second row, third row, fourth. This is first, second, third, fourth. This is not the actual row. We can, when we are using the table, this is our first row, okay. So we will use match lookup value is this one, okay. This is my lookup value, comma, click here, shift, row down, okay, comma 0. A is in first. Let's see F or your B in second row, okay. Now if I see C is in third row, C is in third row, this one, right. Now I want to see employee ID, employee name, employee salary is in which column. So employee name, so I will use equal to match lookup employee name, or I can use employee ID, later on we can change also, comma, I have to select this range, or I can select this range, full range, comma 0. So employee name is in third, so if I add serial number, copy it here and paste it here, so it is in first column. So which column, we can add which column, and here which row, it's not taking, do not worry. Which row, right? So it is not taking because I need which row. So which row or which, this is my which rows and this is my which column. Okay, so if I remove it, see, so these are my rows, or we can say row R or C. R or C means row or column, we can add here, right? So these two are my rows. So have you understood? These two are my rows, these two. So employee 001 is in which row? First row. So it is giving me first row. Employee 002 is in which row? EMP 002, second row. And employee name, if I give here A, it is in first. If I give here C, it is in third. See, it is in third, right? These headers are in which column? So it is second column. If I employee ID, right? So this is very useful when you are using the match function. You can have huge data. Okay, so this is my product, serial number, product number, type, quantity and price. So I want to know the, suppose index we can use first, index, or first we can add a row number, your serial number. So for that we can use the serial number. Come to here, data validation, list, click here. Okay, now your serial number has been attached. Now we will use the index function. I do not need product number also. So from here we can start the index. So index, this is my data range. If you have long data, huge data, just do not, you have to just know the first data. This is my first cell, A57 to E66, A57 to E66, and column number. So I need product number. So this is in second column. So row, perfect, understood. So what I have done, row number, this is the row number. H means if you see the row number, this is H, column H, row number 56. It is in second row, right? 56 minus 54 is in the second row. Fine. If I change the value here, PR, so type gel 400 and 1000. Perfect. Understood? This is the reality. So it's not that much of tough. If you practice a lot, it becomes tough. If you do not practice, okay, you need huge amount of practice so that you can understand the things in a proper way. Suppose I am giving you your 10th or 4th row. This is my 4th row, not column. This is 4th row. Okay, so I am getting all the information of the 4th row, right? Now I can use a match function here. We'll use the clear all. Now I will use the data validation. So come to your data validation. I will use this. Okay, so shift control your down arrow, click here, and it will come. Next I will create this one, and then your price and quantity also. So 4 heads will be there, but you can also do, I will create 2 heads. This is your task. And I want to know the price, okay, or I want to know the head. Yeah, I want to know the head, so I will use data validation again. It's not required, I have given you the example right now, it's not required, but still you can use it. This is my headers. So come to home. So now we will use the match function here. So it is now created, the table has been created. So I will use all this data and input the data here which are required. So equal to match lookup value. This is my lookup value. This is my table array or lookup array, right, comma 0. So this product 001 is in first row. Now I want to know product 004 is in which row. So we can use 04, it is in 4th row, right, it is in 4th row. So we can directly go to the 4th row. Now I want to know pen is in which row, C57 to C66. So I have a range, C57 is to C66 comma 0, right, and the serial number. Okay, so match click here. Yeah, I want to know all the heads in which column, but this is my lookup value. I have not used the comma. 0 bracket close. So serial number is in which your column, okay. So it is in which column, the serial number, it is in first column. If I use instead of serial number, product number, this product number is in which column, second column. Understood these things in a proper way?